Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Spocket and what kind of products you can sell on this amazing platform. Now, I know you might be wondering why I'm even talking about Spocket. Well, it's because it's a game changer for anyone who wants to start an e-commerce business. With Spocket, you can source high-quality products from all over the world and sell them directly to your customers without having to hold any inventory yourself. This means you don't have to worry about the hassle of shipping or returns, and you can focus on growing your business. So, what kind of products can you sell on Spocket? The answer is almost anything. From clothing and accessories to home and garden goods, electronics, and even pet supplies, the possibilities are endless. One of the great things about Spocket is that they have a wide range of suppliers to choose from, so you can find products that fit your niche and budget. You can also filter products by category, price, and shipping time to find the perfect products for your store. Once you've found the products you want to sell, you can simply add them to your cart and place an order. Spocket will then take care of everything else, from shipping the products to your customers to handling returns. So, if you're looking for a way to start an e-commerce business or expand your existing one, Spocket is definitely the platform for you. With its wide range of products and easy-to-use interface, you can be up and running in no time. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video about Spocket. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.